So this is the website. That's a lab from PortSwigger. That is our account balance. That's the store credit. We have only $100 in our account, but we want to buy this jacket. That's 1,327. So looking at our account balance, we can't afford this, but let's try and see if we can manipulate the price and buy this jacket. So click on view details here, and let's add this. Now before, let's make sure that your fuzzy proxy is on so that we can intercept the request with our Burp suite. Now scroll down here, we have add to cart. So let's click on add to cart. Now click on the cart. We click on one quantity is 1,337 of the jacket. If you click on place order, you will see that we have not enough store credit for this purchase, meaning we cannot afford this product since this product is more expensive and we don't have that money in our account balance. So let's try and see if we can manipulate this. But first, let's go to Burp suite and see go to HTTP history. Let's try and find the post request that is used to add the product to our cart and see if we can manipulate it. So this is the post request. Now right click on it, click on send to repeater. Then you go to the repeater tab here. So let's try and send negative number. With this negative number, it will deduct this number from the existing cart or quantity that you have. Let's see, -2. Click on send here. Now let's go to our browser and refresh. Now we have negative total here, negative quantity, meaning that this means that the application owes us negative. That's the 1,000. Now the application owes us. Let's click on place order and see. Cart total price cannot be less than 0. So meaning the application owes us. So let's try and add another one. Just add one product here. This time +1, and let's see what will happen again. Let's go and refresh. Now we have 0 cart. So meaning the more that we add negative number, it will deduct from the product that we have. Now let's go to the home. Click on this. Add to cart. This time you add positive number, that's add quantity. So add to cart. Now we have one here. Now go to home. So since one price is 1,300, so you try and add another product that you add negative quantity so that it will deduct from the price of this 1,000. So let's see how it works. Let's add this. That's the $3 here. Click on view details. Then you add this one to our cart and see how we can manipulate this price. And now let's click on add to cart here. Now go to our cart. So now we have these two here. So we will make sure that we will make this one the negative one so that it will deduct from the price, but this will remain constant. That's the one, because we want to buy the jacket, not this pet experience this. So let's go to our Burp, go to your proxy, then go to the TP history. Let's search for the post request that is used to add that product. Now post, okay, not this one. Scroll down. Okay, we have post cards here. Let's see if this one. Yeah, this one. So right click, send to repeater here. Then go to the repeater tab. So let's try and send negative number and see what will happen. So negative. This is -2. Send the request. Now go to our browser and refresh. You have to make sure that this was 1,420. Let's refresh and see what will happen. Now we have 1,253. So the more that we add negative numbers, the price will decrease. Now we have 1,253 here. So let's do some math here. Let's see how we can 83. Now we have 1,000. So let's see how we can make this one 50. So that 50 is less than $100, so we can buy this jacket. So now open our calculator here. Let's do some mathematics here. Now 1253 minus 50. That's 1203. And 1203 divided by 83. That's 14.4. So if you add -14 to this, we will get $50. So the $50 will be in between our credit source, so we can just buy it. And let's go to our repeater again and add -14 quantity of this and send the request again. So now let's go to our browser and refresh it and see. So refresh. Now we have $87 here, and we have one quantity of the leather jacket, and we have -15 of the pet experience days product. And our stock credit is $100, so we can just buy it. Let's go down, click on place order and see if we can buy this. So now we'll be able to buy this, and congratulations, you have solved this lab, and our order is on this way coming. So now here's how you can buy price if the application is vulnerable to business logic